Good morning, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the blog www.fibonaccistalking.com. Good morning, today is it's Saturday, October 27th, 2012, and it's 2:15 p.m. Italian time, which time zone is GMT +1. This is the Fibstalker view on currencies. I'll do a review the dollar index plus 4 currencies for you in this brief video. Let's start from the dollar index. What you see on the screen is the weekly chart. We had this measured move that sustained price in March and then again May. We didn't get to the 84.90 area, which was the target for the dollar index, which means weakness for the dollar index. And we came down to the 79.20 level, which is providing support to price at the moment. Let's move to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we had this violation of the next measured move higher. That meant that the meaning of this was the end of this move lower. Price went sideways, shorts failed, but long failed as well. We had this wedge sideways. It was in this case not a continuation but a reversal figure. Now it seems a long start respecting this measured move higher, and we have target into the 20-day moving average, and that would be the 81.20 extension target for this move in 79.49. Let's move to the pound versus the US dollar. What you see on the screen is this is the weekly chart. The pound, as you can see, is in this large wedge, and this wedge started in 2009. We had this 52.75 level, which was tested once in 2011, 2 times in 2012, the supporting price, and it has a target. If the dollars will be weak as we expect in the next months, it has a target in 178.90 area. Now on the daily chart, we can see price is still in this short setup we had last week, and this short setup and resistance was in the 61.40 area. We went down, but we didn't get to the target, and so price is still reacting to this resistance in 61.40 area, in which we saw selling on Friday as well. So the target is 159. Moving into the Aussie dollar versus the US dollar, it's in this huge bull flag here, and as you can see, supporting 1.017 held 2 times in September and October. So the Australian dollar is relatively stronger than the US dollar, although the US dollar has been going higher, so we would expect this pair to go lower. In the last few days and weeks, the Aussie has been stronger. So let's see what happened here. We have on this daily we are into a measure move higher at the moment, and the support was in the 103.16, so 20 area, and you have target in 104.40 area, and possibly in a 105 actually, if the dollar will start going down in the next 2 weeks as we expect. Let's move into the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Again, we have a big wedge here, so you can see that all these currencies, they all have wedge, and they are all either they are bull wedge, so bull flags, or they are reversal wedges. So here the dollar is supposed to go down, so this pair should go down as well. So we have a resistance level in 105.70 area, which was respected, and as targets below. And we also have another resistance here in the, I believe in the 0.040 area, and this is possible that we are going to test this area in the next few days, whilst the dollar is still relatively stronger, but eventually this will revert lower and we will move into 0.94. Let's move to the daily chart. It's clear we have this measure move higher at the moment trading, and the first target was it in the 0.9940 area, and the second target is conveniently aligned to the basically to parity, and that's where we expect this this pair to move. The last pair is the US versus the Japanese yen pair, and this pair has been moving higher. Actually the Japanese yen is relatively stronger, but in the last 2 weeks probably US dollar what I wanted to say is the Japanese yen is relatively weaker, but in the last 2 weeks the US dollar has been catching up. So the US dollar is planned to go down. We don't know what the Japanese central bank will do in order to fight this currency battle. But if we look at the chart, we see that we expect a continued move lower. So again, we have a flag, we have a wedge at lows here. On the daily, we can see we had this reaction to the level, resistance level in the 80 40 80 50. Price is actually price has been trading this extension move higher, sorry, this traditional move higher. We hit first target in 79.20, second target in 79.80, and at this point I expect price to invert, although resistance traded first, but with a big front end, so we can assume this resistance did not trade. So I expect price keep moving higher at least for the next few days, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, until the dollar reaches the resistance area. The entry will be in the 69.60, 69.70 area. And this is it really. I hope you enjoyed this brief review. This is the Fibstalker view on currencies. Signing off. If you wish to receive this information timely, I'm going to send this video out to subscribers tomorrow, but usually then I publish this information with 6 days later. So if you want to get these videos, go register to my free newsletter. You can do this at the www.fibonaccistalking.com. Have a great weekend and have a great day. Bye bye.